Our second example in examples class 1, find the median. The median is the middle value in ordered sequence. So it's a measure of central tendency, not affected by extreme values, but we need to make sure that we put the data into order before we find the median value. This example is an example of 5 runners timed over 200 meters. So in this case, n, the number in our data set, is 5. We have 5 runners, so n is 5, and they're timed over 200 meters. The time's given as follows. So the first thing that needs to be done is we need to put the data into order. So starting with the lowest value, 21.5, moving up to the next value, 22.6. As we're scoring them off, we can see we have a second value of 22.6. Then we have 23.7, and the largest value in the data set, 24.1. Our positioning point for our median, our formula for the positioning point is n plus 1 divided by 2. N is 5. We have 5 runners in our data set. So for this example, our positioning point would be n plus 1 divided by 2, i.e. 5 plus 1 divided by 2, or the third position when the data is in order. So our third position, our third value, works out to be 22.6. The third value in the data set is a value of 22.6. So that is our median for this example. Moving on to a median example where we've got an even number in the data set. We have got a group of 6 students this time, so n is 6. And these are the times recorded for a group of 6 students to get from one lecture to another in minutes. The first thing we need to do is put our data once again into order. Starting with our smallest value, 4.9, scoring them off as we go to make sure we don't miss any, moving through 6.3, 7.7, 8.9, 10.3, up to the largest value of 11.7. We'll use our positioning point formula again. Positioning point formula, n plus 1 divided by 2. N in this case was 6. We have 6 students, so 6 plus 1 divided by 2 gives us 7 divided by 2, or a positioning point halfway between the third and the fourth values. So just labeling those, our median will occur halfway between the 7.7 and the 8.9. So to find that value, we will need to add together the 7.7 and the 8.9 and divide by 2 to find the value halfway between those two. And that gives us a median value of 22.6.